Hello and welcome to this tutorial about Thrive Themes, an awesome plugin which can help you to manage your WordPress website or any other website CMS. Thrive Themes is a plugin that allows you to have multiple functions on your websites. This is the official website for the Thrive Themes. As you can see, they have awesome features like intuitive drag and drop editor for WordPress, which comes with Thrive Architect. You can build your mailing list faster. It have an implementation with Thrive Leads. Also, you can boost website engagement through quizzes, and you have the Thrive Apprentice module, Thrive Comments, Thrive Optimize, Thrive Ultimatum, Thrive Ovation, and so on. If you want to see all the benefits from Thrive Themes program, you have here our products, and as you can see, you have a Thrive Theme Builder. This allows you to build your WordPress pages and articles. It's a drag and drop feature. Also, you have a Thrive Architect, and you can see here it's an intuitive drag and drop editor for WordPress. You have Thrive Quiz Builder. This boosts website engagement through quizzes. You have also the possibility to build your mailing list faster. You can integrate this program with Weber, MailChimp, or other email programs. You have Thrive Membership. You can get access to all plugins and themes from Thrive. You have Thrive Ovation module. This lets you gather and display testimonials for social proof. You have Thrive Comments. This is a feature that allows you to build awesome comment sections and make comments on your blog fun and engaging. Also, you have Thrive Optimize. This lets you make A/B testing for landing page, titles, articles, and so on. You have Thrive Ultimatum plugin. This lets you create evergreen countdown campaigns. And you have Thrive Apprentice, which lets you build professional online courses like Udemy. Yes, Udemy. I personally use this suite of plugins, Thrive Themes, and I'm very content with this program. As you can see on my website, I have installed this Thrive program, yes, and it looks like this. Yes, I have a membership to this program, Thrive, and I have all these features installed on my WordPress website, all of these for a monthly fee. Okay. As you can see here, I have Thrive Optimize, Thrive Apprentice, Clever Widgets, Thrive Comments, Thrive Headline Optimizer, Thrive Leads, Thrive Quiz Builder, Thrive Ultimatum, Thrive Architect, or Thrive Theme, and Thrive Ovation. What is very interesting on this service is that it provides you with themes, 3 themes, but there are professional ones, and you can use them as long as you like on your website. Yes, here on Thrive Theme, if you access this, you will find a tool that allows you to build your pages and your articles as well. Um, Here you have some templates. Yes, you can use templates from here. Also you can improve site speed. You can make the general settings for typography and the wizard. In the future tutorials I will let you see how to use every plugin from Drive Themes. Yes, and I will show you step by step how to work with every plugin from Drive. It's not so hard, but you have to know really well how to work with this. As I said before, I like very much, I love this plugin, even though I have to pay a monthly, a quarter fee, not a monthly fee, a quarter fee. Is not too expensive, but the services are very useful, and you should know that if you buy a license for Drive, you have access on all your websites, infinite websites, and not just on one of your websites. In other words, you can use Drive services and products on all of your websites, no matter how many you have. So you can use Drive Themes on infinite number of websites. This is amazing because you don't have to pay another subscription for another website. You can use this on all of your websites. As I said before, in the future tutorials I will show you step by step how you can use Drive plugins, every one of them. This is the dashboard from Drive. Yes, here you can see my installed products from Drive Themes. Yes, all of these, and here you have a bunch of other settings for Drive. Okay, also if you go on every plugin you have specific settings for each one. Yes, you can go and create Drive Apprentice modules and so on. I will go later on that. You have here Drive Comments, Drive Optimize, every plugin that I spoke about before. Yes, here are general settings from this for this plugin. It's a very simple to use service, and I recommend it very highly for you, because it will help you very much on your trip with WordPress. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.